welcome back. Let's check out what we're working on. Say hi, Tonio.
What's going on, folks?
This is Tonio's boat, kind of.
Kind of.
This thing's been sitting for, I don't know, a decade. So, Tonio's going to clean up this frame. We're going to paint it black. Well, he's going to paint it black. This thing hasn't ran in forever. So, we're doing a revival video. We're going to make some changes to it. So we do have it registered for 2025, but yeah, it hasn't been on the water. I think the last time it was on the water was 1999. This is a 1960 Lumacraft. So we're going to clean it up. He's already cleaned the inside of it out. We're going to paint the boat itself, get the motor running, and we're going to change some shit here in the inside too. We're going to set it up as a good fisher boat. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna end up stripping the hull too, because it's, you know, chipping away. God knows how many layers of crap they've put on it over the years. We're gonna outfit this nicely. It'll be a long little video, but here's our rest of our boat trailer. We're gonna get that cleaned up, get new wheels on it, and yeah, it's gonna look pretty snazzy. So as soon as we're done getting the frame painted up, I'll show it to you. There he is. We're starting. That's kind of what it'll look like when we're done. Hell of a lot better than rusty white. I'm gonna get back on my fence project while he's working on that. Making progress. Now let's get this underside done. Turns out pretty good. This is a rust eliminator. It's kind of a rubberized undercoating, but not so thick and not textured. Looks a heck of a lot better now. Get some nice shiny wheels on it and we'll be good. And we can focus on this. Alright, welcome back. It's a new day. Let's get back onto this boat project. So we're going to go ahead and get this. We're going to get the bottom of the hull sanded from here down, and that bottom part's going to be silver, and the top part where it's already red is going to be red again. So go ahead and use my M18 cordless sander and get to it. So right there's some rubber stuff. I don't know what it is, but it's kind of a pain in the butt to get to. So, well, to get to sand with just sandpaper. So I'll take a wire wheel to that. So I'm going to keep going with the rest of it. Alright, there we go. I got all the loose stuff off. So next I'll go ahead and get this black stuff off. There's some along the bottom, yeah, the back of the boat too. Look at that. I assume it's where there's presumably a leak, but it's all the way along the back of it. The stern, I guess, I think. Anyway, I'm gonna get that off, and I got all the loose paint off, and then there's a couple in the center too. So seal that stuff back up. A couple crude repairs there already. I'm just going to use automotive seam sealer where that stuff already is, and I'll probably do a bead of seam sealer all the way down. That way we know it's, you know, waterproof. But yeah, so that'll be next. I'm trying to get this done by March 27th because my kid Antonio, his birthday is 27th, so we bought him this boat a couple years ago for his birthday, and he just hasn't used it, and arguably it's in pretty rough shape, so I figure we'll get it all nice and pretty for him and outfit the inside, and it'll be a good present for him. So anyway, stay tuned. I will be back tomorrow. Today is a new day and I broke my camera mount, so it's not going to be great. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that and use that nice wire wheel and get it off there. I broke my phone mount. So, today's a new day, like I said. Yesterday it was 90 degrees, today it's 40. That's great, it's Iowa, so what do you expect? So, I'm gonna go ahead and get that taken off on both sides of the bow, the front. And then back here, we're gonna clean up all that goop. So, I'm gonna get to it. Okay, I got that cleaned up, both sides. That one cleaned up. This one cleaned up. There's actually quite the repair done to that, so I'm gonna coat that nicely. And then I got that section back there cleaned up too. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use this automotive seam sealer, which I'm pretty sure was already on this below that black tar. So that's what we're gonna do. Got that seam sealed up right there on both sides. Got those done and that done. I don't have anything over here that needs done. So that's all the sealing I have to do. And I don't know if any of these leaked anyway, but all that transom board's got to come off there eventually. But we'll do that once we have it back on the trailer. So next step is we're going to do some, we'll blow it off, get it cleaned up, wipe it down, and then we're going to get this bottom part silver. So yeah, that's next. Anyway, I'm going to leave that one here. I'm going to go ahead and finish this video. And the next video, part 2, will be on painting it and getting it back up on the trailer and laying out the inside. So stay tuned. Look out for part 2. Deuces. Hey, hold up. Make sure like, subscribe, share us. All right? Thanks. Let's keep growing it. Deuces.